You're invited to our next single-family investment workshop. Hi, I'm Linda McKissick, and we own 70 single-family investment properties that bring in about $103,000 a month in rental income.
I'm Katie Klesitz, and I own 56 single-family rentals and generate about $65,000 a month in rent.
And we'd love to help you create this kind of rental passive income for yourself also. If you built a real estate business that creates over $2 million, it's time for you to start building your wealth and passive income through single-family investing.
Here's why. You'll likely qualify for about $500,000 in a bank line of credit secured against that $2 million in commission income. This allows you to buy below market value property out of state very quickly.
You then renovate, rent the property, refinance, and then repeat. We wrote a book all about it, and we bought over 100 properties this way in 2008.
I went from 15 rentals to 56 in 2 years during COVID, following exactly what Linda taught in this book. I did it all while working remotely from home and hiring someone to go on my appointments on the ground in Nebraska and Texas.
Join us at this San Diego beach house that passive income bought for us.
You'll leave with your own business plan to buy cash flowing single family rentals out of state.
Get your ticket today, and we'll see you here.